Hi friends, once again I welcome you to my channel Career Point. I'm Anurag Srivastava. Friend, today we discuss about the West Bengal private medical colleges. So if you want to know more about the West Bengal private medical college for the UG or PG both the courses, so directly call us. You will get the all detail. And please follow this channel Career Point for the new 2024 all the update. So now I'm saying the all the private medical colleges of West Bengal. If you have any query about any colleges, so directly call us. You will get the all the detail. That is the Gauridev Institute of Medical Science and Hospital Durgapur, IKR Institute of Medical Science Research Center Haldia Purba, IQ City Medical College Burdwan, Jagannath Gupta Institute of Medical Science Hospital Kolkata, JS School of Medical Science Research Center Howrah, JNM Medical College Nadia, KPC Medical College Jadavpur Kolkata, Santi Niketan Medical College Bholpur West Bengal, Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Medical Science Sanaka Hospital. So these are the private medical colleges of West Bengal. If you have the inquiry about the West Bengal private medical colleges, so directly call us. You will get all the detail about the West Bengal medical colleges, UG and PG, both the courses. Thank you.